One of the fastest ways to make money online in this age and time is to discover trends early and jump on them. The case of the BTC was a very, very good case study where people that jumped on that trend bought and held BTC smiled later on in the future. Now it's airdrop season, and a lot of all these projects that are coming up are actually very promising. And all you have to do is just mine. They are not asking you for your money, they are only asking you for your time and your attention. Now, I'm going to be showing you how you can stay on top of your game and how not to lose track of all these airdrops that you're mining. I'm also going to show you how to organize all these airdrops in one folder on your Telegram so that you can easily navigate around. Now, for those of you that don't have any airdrops you're mining, I can share the airdrops that I'm mining. All you have to do is head over to my website investorblack.com, and you're going to see these two posts here. What you want to do is click on this one that says top 17 legit web3 airdrops. So these are basically the airdrops that I'm currently mining. There's still others that I'm mining as well, but these are the ones that are proven to work out, the ones that I'm currently mining actively. The other ones are still on my watch list. Maybe in the future I'm going to include them, but these are the ones that you can go ahead and start mining right away. Some of them are will be listed very soon. Some of them have already been listed in the pre-market sales, while some other ones are going to be releasing their airdrops in a matter of weeks. So you want to jump on each and every one of this one and start earning money for yourself by participating on simple tasks and stuff like that, right? So to basically join any of this airdrop, just go to the website and just click on any of them, and it's going to open up in the Telegram and show you the bot. So if I right click on this and open in a new tab, you see that it's going to redirect me to the Telegram space, and as you can see, it's opening up my Telegram app, and this is it. It's taking me to the hamster combat bot to start mining. So that's basically it. So what you want to do is just basically join each and every one of them, and that is one step. So once you've joined all this, it's now time to organize it, because it's very, very easy to lose track of all the airdrops, especially when you're mining a bunch of them. Like me, I'm mining a dozen of them, and it's very easy, especially if you're a busy person like me, to lose track of all these airdrops. And that is why it's very important for you to organize them in folders. If you look by the left hand side of this my PC based Telegram, you see that I have everything organized: my unread messages, my personal sources, my airdrops that I'm mining. If I click on airdrops, you're going to see gems, PocketFi, TrueCoin. These are all bots, by the way. These are all the airdrops I'm mining at the moment. You see my personal messages, you see my channels, Investor Black, Hamster, Pixel, and stuff like that. You see my personal bots, you see my groups and stuff like that. So I've organized all those things so that I can easily navigate around all those things, and I'm going to be showing you how to do it. It's very simple. All you have to do is follow my step. If you're using a mobile phone, you follow the steps I'm going to be talking when I start doing for mobile phone, but I'm going to start with my PC since I'm already on my PC. So for those of you that are using computers, some of the bots don't work on PCs while others work. Bots like Hamster Combat don't work on PC. So obviously 99.9% of the people watching this video would be using their mobile phone, because obviously some of these bots don't work on PC, right? So but for the purpose of clarity, I'm going to do for both PC and mobile phone. So if you're using a PC, that's the Telegram app on your desktop or in Windows 10 or something like that, or on your Mac, then click on the menu icon, which is the bootstrap menu icon located at the top left corner. Once you click on it, scroll down to the bottom where it says settings. Click on settings, then it's going to take you here. What you want to look for is the folder icon, the one that says folders. It can either say folders or chat folders. Click on folders, then you're going to see all the folders that you've created. For you might see nothing, or you might see one folder, and that folder is called all chats. You cannot edit that folder because it is the default folder. But for my PC it's not showing, but when I start doing for mobile, you're going to see what I mean, right? So let me just do for mobile. Click on menu if you're using your mobile, click on settings, then you're going to see, scroll down to where it says chat folders. Click on chat folders. You're going to see what I mean. As you can see, we have this one called all chats. You cannot edit this one because this is the default chat folder. Then you have the ones that I created: unread, mine, my airdrops, unread, mine, my airdrop, personal, like that, right? So once you're on this page, you want to create your folder. Now I'm going to click on create new folder, then I'm going to name it airdrop new, right? Now they don't allow you to use too much letters. As you can see, I can't type anymore, so that's something you need to have in, so you don't have to write a whole epistle. Just something short and simple will do. So airdrop new, then click on this folder icon, or hover over this folder icon rather, to choose any of the icon you would like to represent that particular folder. I usually use this BTC icon for crypto related stuff. Then the next thing you want to do is click on the button that says add chats. Now you can add bots, you can add channels, you can add groups, and you can add individual chats with your friends, right? So I'm going to click on add chats. Then you can see you can contact, channels, bots, right? So they've already helped you to organize it here. You can just click on groups and everything about groups will be there. You click on bots, everything about bots will be there. But you want to select individual chats, so all you have to do is search for the particular one. So if I want to do hamster combat, I'll just type hamster, then I'm going to see all the hamster combat related chats. You want to look for the one with the verified icon, which is this one right here, these two. But we want to go for the bot. I'm going to click on bot, and I'll do pixelverse bot. This is it right here. Click on it. I'll do memefi. This is it right here, memefi bot. I'll do yes coin. This is it right here. I'll do tap swap. I didn't add tap swap to my list, and that is for a personal reason, but this is it right here. So that's how you're going to be searching for the ones you want. Let's say I want to do gems. I'll just type in GEMZ, and that is for gems. Remember, they are all bots, so I'm going to choose gems. So once you've done that, click on the button that says save. Once you click on save, click on the button that says create, and that is it. You've created a new folder called airdrop new. Now close this, and you're going to see the folder at the very bottom here, airdrop new. You're going to notice that it's also added, because this is one account, so it's also added here. But for those of you that are wondering how to do it on your mobile phone, because I use my PC, the same thing. I'm going to click on create folder here. As you can see, the interface is slightly different. That is because I'm using a slightly older version of Telegram, so for my PC, for my emulator, so it's usually that way. So the next you want to do is type in the name. So I'm going to call this airdrop 2 or something like that. Then click on add chats. Then you're going to see the same thing. So I'm going to type hamster, right? You notice that in this my phone version, the verified button isn't showing up, but that is fine. I know the particular one that is legit, which is this one right here, hamster combat. Then pixelverse bots, memefi bot, and so on and so forth. So that's basically how you add all these things to your folders. Once you're done, click on this check button. Once you click on the check button, click on save, and that is basically how to go about it. Now you see that we now have airdrop new and airdrop 2, right? For phone users, I noticed that on my own version there isn't the option to add an icon for my airdrop, so that's one thing. But you can use an emoji, I guess. If you're using your phone, you can choose an emoji, whatever you want to use. You can use an emoji here in front of the name. Then for this color changing, you need to be a premium user, right? So that's basically why I can't do this, because I'm not a premium user, right? So that's basically it. Then another thing you can do is to share your link. But if, since these are all bots, you can't use this for this option. Assuming it's like a folder containing groups or personal chats, stuff like that, then you can go ahead and use this to share your folder so that your friend can easily import your folder. But since these are all bots, it will not work. Let me show you what I mean. If I click on create invite link, you see that they say the chat cannot be shared, and that is because chats with bots can't be shared. So that's what I mean. But if it is a chat with like folders containing groups or channels, then you can go ahead and share it, and whoever gets your link can actually create a replica of your folder, right? So that's basically one good thing about this. So that's it for this one, guys. I hope this video has been helpful. If it has, do well to give your boy a thumbs up, share this video to your friends that might find this helpful as well. Subscribe to my channel if you're just stumbling upon my channel for the first time, and also hit the bell notification icon. I drop updates every single day on crypto space. Now is airdrop season, so I'm dropping basically airdrop updates, but I also drop futures trading updates, options trading updates and stuff like that. But since this is airdrop season, I'm going to still be posting our airdrop. I saw a comment about the memify combo for today. I'm going to be dropping that immediately after this video, so stick around, guys. Have a nice day and I love you guys. Bye.